Unbelievable but true. The watch market is dead. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I mean, it's unbelievable now that all these different Muppet Boiler Room channels are coming out of the woods claiming that the watch market is dead. You know that kid over there from the Lone Star State, Mr. Miyagi? He's using my catchphrase, the watch market is dead. It took him quite a long time to say it, but he's already using my catchphrase, the watch market is dead. It's unbelievable that Mr. Miyagi, he made a video. I don't know if you guys saw it, but he made a video of Deputy Droopy Butthole Eyes. He's claiming, why ain't you making no more videos on YouTube? It's very simple, Mr. Miyagi. The secondary gray watch market is dead on a backyard pool and floating face down like this. Unbelievable but true. Unbelievable. 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 There you have it. Mr. Miyagi out of the Lone Star State using my catchphrase, the watch market is dead. I've been telling you for 2 years. For 2 years. And you didn't listen to me. And this is why you guys have all been flim-flam and spoofball by all these hoodwinks and hucksters. Unbelievable but true. Stop sucking on the lollipop. The watch market is dead. Unbelievable but true. You know, Kino was telling me that we have a big part on why the watch market is dead. I don't think so. The watch market was gonna, well, sooner or later, they were gonna have to admit that the watch market is dead. And I believe that now they are admitting that the watch market is dead. And for that, my respect to all those Muppet Boiler Room secondary gray watch market channels and dealers. They are finally admitting that the watch market is dead. Before they were even scared to use the watch market is dead. Like I told you, that gentleman over there from the Lone Star State, Mr. Miyagi, he's already using the word, the watch market is dead. He's telling Deputy Droopy Butthole Eyes that the watch market is dead. And that's why he's not making no videos. Unbelievable but true. Unbelievable. But that's what's happening out there. Even the Muppet Boiler Room secondary gray watch market channels are claiming that the watch market is dead. In a backyard pool and floating face down like this. Watch market is dead. The watch market is dead. No matter what they keep on telling you, no matter what they keep on trying to sell you, the watch market is dead. The watch market is going to go back to 1998, 99, 2000, 2001, 2002. They're going to go back to those numbers. Don't get desperate. You're going to get the watch you want dirt cheap. Believe Kino and I. Unbelievable but true.
Oh. Did I go in? That's what they did. What?